Materuni Waterfall is more than just a waterfall. Step into the heart of Chagga culture. Learn the traditional art of grain pounding and experience a tradition passed down through generations. At Materuni, you're more than a visitor. You become part of the community. Feel the warmth of the Chagga people. Share in their songs, their smiles, and traditions that have been passed down through generations. This is a cultural experience you'll always remember. Travel with Peak Climber Safaris. Your enjoyment, our happiness.